Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for products by scanning in their barcode on the Amazon application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this home button down below, which is the first option, and then tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. And here you can find this scan icon next to the microphone icon in the chat box. So now you need to allow the application to have access to your product in order to scan products. As you can see, you can use your camera to scan barcodes, find pantry, health and beauty products. So tap on allow this Amazon app to access your camera and skip this step in the future. Now click on continue, tap on OK. So now you can scan products and their barcodes. Here, if you tap on the barcode icon, you will be able to find a product by scanning. So here you have the result. So you can, if it's in the case of a book, it's available in audiobook format or in hardcover or paperback options, as you can see. So here you can select quantity and add to your cart and purchase it. If you scroll down, you can get to know the authors and book details, as you can see here, product information, and basically that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.